Oh man, I like you guys. You guys come up with the most creative ideas. All right. Does our mic work? Yeah. Okay. Cool. All right. Just put it right here. Are you sure it's working? It's not really plugged in though. Bluetooth. Okay. Good enough. Oh, okay, what's good, YouTube? You guys aren't going to include the dance I did, right? Because I was wearing pajamas. Just cut it off, please. It's a little awkward. What is good? Should I bounce up and down? No, that looks wrong. Okay. Today, shit, we're gonna do an unboxing flight. By the way, let me stand up. Freaking ball. I am wearing, flight Jordan pants. They're trying to make it special, but it's really just inside out. And then they call this a style. Whatever. Okay, what do we got? Sorry, guys. I just have to... I'm starting to hate this idea. Sorry, YouTube, if I'm moving around too much. Air Jordan 4 Retro 2020 Fire Red. If you guys need to know the color, white, fire red, black. Ooh, that actually feels nice. Tech gray. Made in Vietnam. Well, that's disappointing. Here's the actual color code. DC stands for Dumb Chinese 7770 160. Okay, so the inside. God damn it. The inside does have the cool cement print. Paper, and no, it doesn't come with this black tissue plastic bag paper. I actually put that in there from one of my other shoes. I got an extra garbage bag. Yes, it's very nicely wrapped and wrapped again. Let's take the shoes out. This is the Air Jordan 4 Retro Fire Red OG form. Reason being is because the last time that Jordan released this color with the Nike Air branding is like never. Actually, they never retroed it. Yeah, 1989. My God, that's the last time we saw these. February, that's when Michael Jordan started wearing Air Jordan 4s. And, he was MVP. He was Defensive Player of the Year already. And this is a Tinker Hatfield freaking shoe. Tinker Hatfield took over the Air Jordan program about 1987. And that's when he started designing the Air Jordan 3s, 4s, and so forth. That's why the 3s and 4s, all that good stuff, they became art on feet. And he did a really great job. Oh my God. The 4s and 3s, they don't have much of a difference in terms of the design, the structure. But the 4s is supposed to be lighter weight than the 3. They do all feature the visible air unit. If you guys didn't know, Air Jordan 3 was the first to feature a visible air unit. Okay, I'm tired. This workout is really killing me. Check out the heel butt shot. There you go. There's the little plastic rubber heel tab. The leather, it's decent. I wouldn't say it's amazing. It's not premium. It's okay. It's not too stiff. It's not too soft. I would say you should go ahead and compare the leather quality with the Air Jordan 5 Bel Air alternates. I think it's very similar. Although that pair, it's got a little bit more sheen to it. Yes, it's gonna toe crease if you wear the freaking shoe, you dum-dums. Wear your shoes, alright? Forget the sole shields. Unless you're gonna resell this, it's not even going for a lot. But yeah, check out the herringbone traction. Nike Air branding, flex grooves, because it's meant for you wearing the freaking shoe. The Air Jordan 4 features plastic wings right here, the eyelets, and of course, first time using the mesh. The mesh, honestly, I think it's supposed to also assist in shaving the weight. Okay, I don't really like the mesh. Well, at least for this material. That sounds wrong. There's a little boo-boo factory flaw. I don't know if you guys can see. It's not, it's popping out. It's popping out, actually. Not popping out, popping out, popping out. Yeah, I don't like it. Nike, oh my God, your quality. It must be because it's being beaten out. No hate. Toe box. It's looking okay. Not too boxy. You do have this cheap, thin, but cool Nike Air orange tag, hang tag, right? For y'all that like to wear hang tags with your shoes, what an idiot. Just kidding. I'm not gonna make fun of you because I'm actually gonna do that too. The big tongue, that's one of the features of the Air Jordan 4. Synthetic cheap leather, that's not even real. Yeah, the inside, upside down. Ugh. There it is, the patch, Air Jordan patch. And black insole, I believe is polyurethane. If you guys must know. Yeah, let me take it out for you guys. Guys, we're gonna have to stop this. I don't really like this ball idea. Expensive shoe tree. Let me try to, there you go. There it is. By the way, I have a feeling this is gonna rub off very easily. And if you're the ones that like to tape the prints just to protect it, oh my god, don't be a fool, because you're just going to end up ripping off the stupid print when you're trying to take that tape off. Use a heat gun. Be very careful. Might as well just burn yourself, you stupid idiots. Yeah, it doesn't come with extra laces, duh. It's just white, right? That's all you need to know. This is a sick colorway. 2005, I think they had the laser version, and then they had the Mars freaking face on the heel. And then 2020, here we go. This is the most coolest classic color, in my opinion, for the 4s. I have a bunch. This is the first time for me actually owning this pair, and I'm so happy, so glad that I actually managed to cop this. Retail, of course, no lineup, no stupid raffle, no needing to meet someone for resale. Oh man, yeah, like it's going straight to feet. Should I do on feet video for you guys? Man, I don't really want to, because maybe I should. Let me just, hold on, let me, you know what, screw it, no on feet. I'm good. I think my back's hurting. Can we cut this video? I feel like a turtle. I can't get up. This is so annoying. What do you think? Christmas pajama pants? Party like it's 1989. I'm so excited. I know.